What are the ways to make money in Elf Party? Type 1. Elf mining. Stacks. Summon elf. Upgrade elf. Clear level. Gemstone. Create gems. Receive mining. Income. The more levels you clear, the more income you will receive. Type 2. Points ranking rewards. Capture the Baiti treasure through points ranking. 2 ways to obtain points: inviting friends and clearing levels. The more points you have, the higher your chances of winning points ranking rewards. Type 3. AI Elf NFT transaction. Each elf can be traded on the NFT platform, and this feature is still under development. NFT trading platform. Type 4. Baby Elf Airdrop. Baby Elf in the game cannot be purchased and can only be obtained through assists or airdrops. After obtaining the Baby Elf, you can participate in elf mining and points ranking reward. Assists. Start now. Earn while playing.